Hello everyone. Now worksheet 3. Worksheet 3 is related to multiplication of rational numbers. Now let's go for the question 1. Question 1 is multiply and express the result in standard form. So first we will do the multiplication. 11 by 7. Here it is written by. By means multiplication. Multiply minus 3 by 8. Since it is written that you have to convert it in standard form. So what does it mean? That if you can able to cancel the term, you will cancel it. Okay. So in multiplication, we can cancel the terms also. Now observe here. Can you cancel any term? Can you cancel the term? No. We can't cancel any term over here. So the final answer, multiply upper with upper. So it would be minus 33 and multiply lower with lower. Okay, lower with lower. So it would be 56. So this would be the answer. Second part. Again we will do the multiplication. Minus 7 by 4 multiply 2 by 3. Now let's see here. Can we able to multiply? Can we able to cancel the term over here? Yes, we can. So 2 and 4 we can cancel it. Now any other term we can? No, we can't cancel any other term. So minus 7 upon 2 multiply 3. So what it would be? 2 multiply 3? 6. So minus 7 upon 6 would be the answer. Let's go for this part. Again we will write the rational numbers in the multiplication form. So minus 14 by 7 multiply minus 3 by 7. Now observe, can we cancel the term here? Can we cancel any term? Can we or we can say, can we write the term in the standard form? Here this term is instead of 7 it is 9 and here it is also 9. This is 9 instead of 7. Now let's see, we can cancel the term 3 and this 9 would be cancelled out. So 3 and 7 and 14 also we can cancel it. So it would be 2. So what is left now? What is left? Here if you will observe, minus 2 upon 3 multiply, यहाँ क्या रहेगा? It would be 1 if you will cancel. So minus 1. Be careful about their signs also. So now multiply upper with upper. Minus 2 multiply minus 1. So it would be plus 2 upon 3. So this is the answer. Similarly in this, it is only 7 is written. So we can write 7 upon 1 if you want. Multiply minus 15 by 63. Now cancel the term. Which term can be cancelled out? This 7 and this could be cancelled out. So 7 and 9 cancelled out. Now it would be, can we cancel further? Can we cancel further? Yes, we can cancel it. This 9 and 15 goes with 3. So 3 and 5. So now let's see what would be left out. So the answer would be minus 5 by 3. So this would be the answer. I hope question 1 is clear to all of you. Now come to question 2. In question 2, you have to verify for x multiply y equal y multiply x. Before we will go for the question, this concept x multiply y equal y multiply x, this property is called as commutative property, commutative property of multiplication. Since it has a sign of multiplication, so this is commutative property of multiplication. And this is the property, one of the property for rational number. Now let's go for question 1. Question 2, first part. This is the x value and this is y value. Now LHS is x plus y, so we will write x plus y, and RHS is y plus, x multiply y and RHS is y multiply x. Now according to the question we will substitute its value, so same thing we did it here. Now just check it out, can we convert it in the standard form? Yes, we can. So this is, you can cancel it. Similarly here also you can cancel it. So after cancelling it, you will be getting 7 upon 3 multiply 2. Now multiply lower with lower. 3 multiply 2 would be 6. So LHS is coming as 7 by 6. Now let's see for the RHS, which is y multiply x. Now multiply upper with upper, so 7, and lower with lower, it is also 7 by 6. So what do you observe? Therefore LHS equal RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. Isn't it? It's quite easy question. Similarly in second part, these are the values of x and y. Substitute over here. Now let's see, can we convert it in the standard form? Yes, we can. So it would be, similarly here also you can cancel it. Now let's see the result. Multiply upper with upper, so minus 5, and lower with lower, it would be 28. So minus 5 by 28. Similarly in RHS, 5 multiply, this is 1. So 5 multiply minus 1, so minus 5, and multiply lower with lower, 4 multiply 7, this is 28. So again, if you will observe that after observing it, that LHS equal RHS. So how will you end up? Hence verified. Hence verified. Similarly, you can do third and fourth part. So x value and y value is given. Substitute in both of them, LHS and RHS, in both the parts. So you will be getting this result. Let's see, can you able to cancel any term here? Can we convert it in the standard form? No, we can't. So this is the LHS minus 20 upon 99 in third part, and RHS is also minus 20 upon 99. So therefore LHS equal RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. Similarly in fourth part, in LHS, x multiply y. So these are the value, and after converting it in standard form, means after cancelling the term over here, you are getting this term. Now multiply minus 1, this is 1, minus 1 in multiply minus 2 by 3 means upper with upper and lower with lower. So minus 1 multiply minus 2, so this is plus 2 by 3. Similarly in RHS also, you will be getting minus 2 multiply 1 is 2 upon 3. So again you are getting LHS as equal to RHS, hence verified. So I hope that all these question number 1 and question number 2 is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.